Welcome to the Oceania LibGuide from the University of Missouri-Columbia Library. My name's Pete Kahn, and I'm your subject librarian. If you don't know very much about this region, then the Wikipedia entry on Oceania, linked here, is a great place to start investigating. As you can see, it's divided into 6 areas: history, geography, demographics, economy, politics, and culture. While most professors discourage citing Wikipedia in your final paper or project, it's hard to beat the sheer volume of information on this free online encyclopedia. In addition to the 2 encyclopedias linked here, both excellent resources available in the library, here are 2 dictionaries for regional languages spoken in Oceania: Hawaiian and Fijian. This link takes you to 2 databases that specialize in the region. Unfortunately, neither one is part of the MU collection, so speak to a librarian about how you can access articles and texts you find in them. Next, this tab shows you links to several official websites with information on the region. The CIA's World Factbook, accessible online, supplies detailed and up-to-date synopses of each country and territory on the globe. I've also included government web pages for Australia, New Zealand, and the state of Hawaii, as well as 2 links to relevant pages from the United Nations website. Down here are links to the University of Texas's excellent online map collection, as well as the biography of an incredibly influential figure in the history of the Southern Pacific, and a recent history of the entire region. Lastly, here you can access the Purdue OWL, which is an invaluable resource for correctly citing sources, both in text and in your reference list at the end of your paper. I hope you found this LibGuide helpful. Happy exploring!